Good morning, everyone. Welcome to math class, lesson 14.8. Today we are going to be composing using 3D shapes. Now remember the other day we made new shapes using just regular 2D shapes, and I wanted to go over the answers to that one problem that we started yesterday. We had a hexagon, and remember we wanted to know how many trapezoids were inside, and the answer was 2. Good job. I hope everybody got that done. That was kind of a fun project. We also did how many rhombuses were inside a hexagon. And look at that. It almost looks like a cube, doesn't it? I turned that hexagon into 3 rhombi. All right, and the last one were how many triangles were inside that hexagon. And that one we kind of did together, but I drew that out. There were 6. I hope everybody got an A+ on that. All right, we're going to be doing the same sort of thing, but we're going to be building using 3D shapes. Now, on the front, this little girl has 5 of those little greenies, okay? And we want to know how many different objects can you make out of those cubes? How many different kinds of rectangular prisms? Now, I'm just going to show you one rectangular prism. Now, if I cut that right in half, do you see how it would be 2 cubes put together? Yeah. So we're going to pretend I have 2 cubes. I'm going to add 2 more cubes. And what did I do? I made a very long rectangular prism. Now, what if I took those 4 cubes and put them together this way? Is it still a rectangular prism? Yes. Yeah. So using 4 cubes, I can make this shape, or I can make this shape. All right, now I'm going to show you something really fun. I'm going to show you how you can draw a 3D shape on a flat surface. All right, you're going to start with a square, because remember, we're going to try to make this shape, okay? And remember, all the faces are squares. I need you to make another square of the same size, just like that, okay? Now we're going to connect the vertices, and we're going to add those edges, okay? Does it look like a cube? Does it look like it's coming right out of the paper? Yeah. All right, now I'm going to show you how to do a rectangular prism, okay? We're going to start with a rectangle, of course. And you're going to do the same thing. Put another rectangle of the same size down and over. And we're going to connect the vertices. And does it look like it just came out of our paper? Does it look 3D now? Yeah, it's kind of an optical illusion, but it's pretty cool. All right, let's go to the second page today. And you may read that on your own time after we have paused the video. We're just going to make some different shapes. Now, do you see what the little girl did? She built, it almost looks like a little rocket or even a pencil. Kind of looks like a pencil, doesn't it? I want you to look at these pictures. Number 1, a cylinder and a cone. A cylinder and a cone. And when I put them together, it kind of looks like a tower. Now, this is your project today. You need to tell me what 2 shapes are inside the new shape. I know, it's too easy, isn't it? I think I worked you too hard yesterday, so I'm going to make it really easy today. This one, a little bit different. Do you see there's a base? And then there's another long piece, then a base, and then a top piece. What about this? Looks like a pylon, doesn't it? What shapes are involved in a pylon? And what about this skyscraper? And then you may do the hot question. And then let's go to the back. And I only want you to do number 10 today. I am going to go so easy on you today, okay? Can you do those for me today? And I do apologize. I know yesterday was such a long math lesson, but those of you that hung with me, I am so grateful that you did. And thank you for all of your hard work. And thank you for joining me on Zoom yesterday. I had such a good time with you. All right, one more lesson tomorrow, 14.9, and we're going to be finished with this chapter. And then next week, we get to learn something even more new and even more exciting. All right, love you.